I'm Julie Karel. I'm a lecturer in the Department of Material Science and Engineering, and I'm a chief investigator in fleet at the Monash node. Material science and engineering is a discipline that's sort of a cross between chemistry and physics, where we seek to understand how the atoms are arranged in a material and how that affects the properties of that material, and ultimately how we can engineer materials to have certain properties. I develop new materials for low energy electronics, so computers, and low energy data storage devices. In this lab, we measure the electrical and magnetic properties of materials, and we have the ability to change the temperature. We can go as low as about minus 270 degrees Celsius, and we can apply magnetic fields, which are quite large, much larger than you would experience, for instance, if you had an MRI. Ultimately, the goal of fleet is to realize low energy electronics, and we can look around our world and see that we use lots of electronic devices and they consume lots of power, and so we're really working to realize low energy electronics. I was influenced to become a scientist because I always liked my science classes when I was in school, and I like working on challenging problems. Science can be really challenging, and a lot of times it doesn't work, and it can be really frustrating when things don't work. The good thing about that is that you learn something when something doesn't work, because there's a reason why it doesn't work, and you can figure that out, but it can be quite challenging at times.